Are you new to OBS? Do you not have any idea what you're doing? Does the program seem too complicated to understand? Well, I can help. Here is an overview of OBS in about 3 minutes. I know 3 minutes is a long time, but we have a lot to go over. OBS is a big program and it can be complicated for beginners, but that's what I'm here for. When you first open the program, it'll look something like this. Very barren and empty. And there's all kinds of buttons that you don't know what they do yet. Let me show you the basic ones you need for Vtuber content. First, I'll show you how to add your source. See this little plus button down at the bottom? Under the sources window, click on that. What you want to do is add a window capture. So click on the button that says Add Window Capture, and then select a specific window. From here, we're going to select the window that your VTubing program is in. For me, that is VTube Studio. Now, if you're seeing a white preview, play around with the buttons a little bit and find whatever works for your computer. Once you see a live preview, select OK, and it should appear on the big preview up top. Once you can see yourself in the preview, then you did it! You added your first source to OBS. Now, all sources work like this, no matter what you're adding. Now, to be able to hear you, you need to add an audio input capture. What that basically means is your microphone. So again, we're going to hit the plus and hit the Add Input Capture button. From here, you want to select whatever microphone you are using. For me, it's the Fifine streaming microphone. Now, once you added that, if you look to the right in the audio mixer, you'll see a green bar that goes up whenever you talk. That's good. That's what we want. That means that people can hear you. That is my OBS tutorial in about 3 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm Vesper, and I will be your guide to VTuber content creation. See you next time.